What's up everybody, Babadees here. Do you want to know how to make Christmas crack? Let me show you how with these simple ingredients. Let's get started. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 cup of butter, some crackers, salted or plain, 1 cup of golden yellow sugar, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and a baking pan. You're going to go ahead and lay all your crackers down. Now you don't have to be perfect, but you want to cover the pan. You want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You want to get your pan out, set it to medium heat, and add in 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of golden yellow sugar. And then wait for that to melt, and you got to continuously stir it around. So it's going to give you a little bit of a workout on your arms today, but it's going to pay off at the end. This is absolutely amazing. Right when you start to see it boiling and those bubbles start to form, you want to set a timer for 3 minutes. You want to continuously stir to make sure that nothing is burning at the bottom of your pan, and you want to get it ready to that consistency right there, and you want to go ahead and empty that out and put it directly on top of your crackers. Now don't worry about it being perfect. We're going to get as much as we can out of that pot, and we're going to cover as much of those crackers as possible. We're going to go ahead and get our oven ready. It should be heated at 350 degrees, and it will be inside the oven for 8 minutes. Go ahead and turn your oven off. Let your crackers sit for 5 minutes before putting your chocolate chips directly on top of them. Now it does not have to be perfect. We're going to be putting them back in the oven as the oven's cooling. We'll put them in the oven for 2 minutes, just so that they have a little bit of a sheen to them or shine. That's how we know that they're nice and soft and melted. We want to go ahead and spread them all over our crackers, just like that. Now this is the fun part. You can put a couple of extra things on there if you'd like. You want to decorate it. You want to put some seasonal things on, like maybe crushed candy canes, whatever you like, some peanuts, walnuts, whatever you want. And we're going to go ahead and put that directly inside the fridge for about an hour until it's cool. That is the finished product right there. Go ahead and have some fun breaking them up into some small pieces. Great for snacks, great for entertaining, highly addictive, absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Talk to you later. Bye.